It's the second. Okay. So let's look at the chat. Pose.
YouTube. Live on YouTube. Click on it. Click on it. Stop.
Okay. Oh, good. Can you guys see the previous messages that the previous students have put in by any chance? Just curiosity.
No, we
No?
can only see what we text to you.
Okay, awesome. Okay, let's see. Questions 22, 23, and 24. Let's look at question 22. Okay. Question 22. Very straightforward. Let's look. Okay. When you see these letter or the questions with a letter in it, right? Always try to assign a number, a numerical value to each. So basically find the number equivalent to the letter. And that's another way of going forward with it. So Z is the 26th letter in the alphabet. Y is the 25th. W is the, what is W?
23rd.
23rd, right? Let's see, question 22. Yep, it's the 23rd letter of the alphabet, and T is the 20th. Now, we have to find the difference between each to establish a pattern. From 26 to 25, it's 1. 25 to 23, it's 2. And 23 to 20, it's 3. Very easy pattern. That's 1, 2, 3. So the next one will be 4. And 20 plus 20 minus 4 is what? The 16th letter of the alphabet is what we need to
16.
find. Yes. And what is the 16th letter of the alphabet? It's P. That is why your answer is option B. This is clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, question 22. What else? 23 and 24. 23. Very good. Now, okay. When for these Roman numeral questions, right? What I want you to write down this hint option that I've given here, basically the translation of what each number is. So I want you to write this down in your notebook or wherever you're writing down your notes. Now, so L is 50. This is 49, 46, 40, and 30. Make sense? Now, let's find the difference. This is question 23. Okay. Now, from 50 to 49, we have a difference of 1, minus 1. 49 to 46, we have a difference of minus 3. 46 to 40, we have a difference of minus 6. 40 to 30, we have a difference of minus 10. Now, this question is basically a pattern inside a pattern question. Now, we found 1, 3, 6, and 10, right? Now, an easier way to do this is find the difference between 1 and 3, which is 2, 3 and 6, which is 3, 6 and 10, which is 4. So it's 2, 3, 4. So what's going to come next? It's 5. So the next pattern will be 5. And that is basically 10 plus 5, which is
Minus 15.
Very good. Minus 15. So from 30, we have to subtract 15 to get the answer. Now let's look at option B. Why we chose that. X is just 10 and V is 5. 10 plus 5 gives you 15.
Yeah.
Make sense? Okay. Option B. Now, 23 and 24. 24, very, very straightforward. Let's look. 0 to 2, it's difference of 2. 2 to 5, we have a difference of 3. 5 to 9, we have a difference of 4.
Plus 4.
It's 2, 3, 4. And the next pattern will be, next movement will be 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Make sense, Karshika? Okay.
Yeah.
Avnika, hi. Hi, Avnika. Question 8. What is question 8? Okay, very easy. Okay. Okay. So everyone knows what room this stands for. This is just number 1. This is number 2. This is number 4.
4,
This is number
8.
1, 2, 4, and 8. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, which we got here. And 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, which we got here. So next will be 8 multiplied by 2, which is
16.
So we have to find the Roman numeral of 16. Now let's look at that. We have x, which is given as, x is given as 10. V plus 1 is 5. And 1, which gives you 16. Make sense? Is okay? Good. Now, what is this? 8. Question 23. Yes. Question 23. Very, very easy. I'll give a very quick run of this. L is 50. This one is 49, 46, 40, and 30. All good? Now, the difference between 40 and 50 and 49 is 1. 49 and 46 is 3, 6, 10, 15. Now, this is a pattern inside a pattern question. So, 1 and 3, the difference is 2. 3 and 6, the difference is 3.
3.
6 and 10, the difference is 4. And 10 and 15,
4.
the difference is 5. So we have 2,
5.
3, 5, and 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next will be number
6.
Oops, sorry. It's only till 4. Okay. Yes. So from 40s, from 6 to 10, it's 4. So the next one will obviously be 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 15. So 30 minus 15 will give you 15. We have to find 15 in the options. That's x and v. That's 10 plus 5, which gives you 15. Admit. Let's see. Question 23 is done. Can you go through question? Has the class started yet? Has the second class started? Yes, second class has started. Question number 14. It is question number 14. This is my favorite one because it's very easy. Okay. Okay. So for question number 14, right? What I want you to do ASAP for each image is to draw a quadrant. Split it into 4 boxes. This is first 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 quadrants. Once you split it into 4 quadrants, you'll soon see that there is an image in each of these boxes. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now let's look. Here there's an upside down T. Here there's a smiley face. And here there's this weird sleeping / standing man. Yeah? Okay. It's very good. Now, let's just focus on the upside down T. So in image 1, the upside down T is in box number 2.
2.
From box number 2, it moves all the way to box number
3.
3. From box number 3, this moves to
Box
box
number 4.
4. And from box number 4, this moves to box number
1.
1. So it's just plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, moving clockwise. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So the next image, the next place where this is going to be is in the first quadrant, right over here. And in option D is the only option where the T is in quadrant number Not quadrant number 1, sorry, quadrant number 2. Right there.
No.
This is fairly straightforward. Let's admit everyone. Okay. Could you go over question 19, 17, and 21? Of course I will. Let's look at 19, 17. Let's look at 17 first.
That
Okay, right there. Now, let me rub this off. Okay. Now, as you can see, we are given 2 circles across all these 4 images. So what I want you to do is to split them apart and just focus on 1 circle at a time. How do we do that? We'll call this circle the pink circle. And then we'll call this circle the blue one. Okay. Now let's follow the movement of the pink circle first. Now, the pink dot from image number 1, it's moved all the way here in image number 2. So it's moved here by +1. From image 2, in image 3, the pink dot has moved 1
Plus
and 2
2.
plus 2.
Two.
That's why it's here. Now, let me see Aditya in the waiting room. Okay. Now, from image 3 to image 4, that's over here, it's moved 1, 2, and 3. That's +3. So you can, if you look at the patterns for, wait a minute. Yes, if you look at the patterns for the pink dot, it's +1, +2, +3. And the next image will be in +4. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. This makes sense? That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's +4. And your pink dot will be right here. Right there. Okay. Now, let's look at the blue dot. The blue dot is from here, it's moved all the way to the right-hand side in image 2. How did it get there? It's 1 and 2. That's moving +2. From the second image, it's moved +1 to the third image, right there. From the third image to the fourth image, it's moved +1 and +2, +2, giving us the blue dot over here. So, as you can see, the pattern of the blue dot is +2, +1, +2. So the next one will be obviously +1. So we'll come all the way here, giving it your blue dot position right here. Let's see how that works. That's +1. And your blue dot is right there. Okay.
Say, just ask
Question?
her if you can do question number 9. Yeah, 9.
Okay, I will do question number 9 immediately after I do question number 21. That's the next question we're going to do. Now, question number 21 is, okay, let's look at this. Okay. Let me rub all of that out. Yeah. For question 21, I want you to draw a 8-sided map. Now, let's see. Again, we've been given 2 circles. I know in the first 2 images, there's only 1 circle. But in the third and fourth image, there's 2, right? That just means that in the first 2 images, that the circles are stacked on top of each other. Anvika, yes? You've raised your hand. Okay. So they're stacked on top of each other. What we do then is basically just give each circle individual attention. So let's call this the yellow circle. And right on top of that, we have a blue circle as well. Let's just focus on the movement of the yellow circle as of now. Okay. In the second image, we can see that there's a circle here. That means the yellow circle has traveled from all the way from the top to the bottom. Yeah. So that how did it get there? So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's moved 4 times anti-clockwise. Now, in the third image, the yellow dot is right here. How did we get there? That's 1, 2, and
Could you go a bit quickly?
that's 3. Moved 3 times. From the third image all the way to the fourth image, it's moved 1 and 2. It's moved twice. What that clearly means is let's write, yellow is moving +4, +3, +2, and the next one will obviously be +1. Let's look. It's moved +1, and your circle is right. Yellow circle would be right there. Now, remember we marked a blue circle. Let's see how that moves. The blue circle is also, oops, my bad. Okay. The blue circle is also right down at the bottom. How did it reach there? It's moved down. Good. And now on top, in the third image, there's a blue circle up on top. What that means is it's just moved up again. Now from the third image to the fourth image, the circle has moved down again. So clearly the blue circle is just moving down, up, down, and next one will obviously be up. It's going to go up. How does that pan out? Your blue circle will be right on top, giving you option D. Okay, that is question 21. And now let's look at Anvika, question 16. Patrasky, who won the Saturday 1 to 3 class of the neatest notebook? Okay, so the neatest notebook is decided actually at term 1. If you're staying with us till term 1, you get a notebook competition prize. But I actually don't remember who won the Saturday 1 to 3 p.m. class. Okay, let's see. Question 16.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
also do question 19?
Will do. After question 16, we'll do question
Sure.
19. Okay. Question 16 is, yeah. Okay, fairly easy question 16. Let's see how this goes. So 315 to 314, the difference. Oops, not good. 315 to 314 is -1.
-1.
Very good. 314 to 310 is minus.
-4.
Very good. 310 to 301 is
-9.
-9. Brilliant. Now, this is just square numbers. I'll tell you how. 1 times 1 is 1, which we've got right here. 2 times 2 is 4, which we've got here. 3 times 3 is 9, which we've got again here. So clearly the next pattern is going to be 4 times 4, which
4.
is
-16.
16.
-16. So next should be -16. Now you tell me, 301 minus 16.
285.
Very good. That is why your answer is 285. Okay. Now let's see. Question 19, right? Is that what you said?
Yeah, 19.
19. Let's see. What was question 19? Ah, okay. Again, question 19, you've been given.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Question 19, you are given 2 triangles. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. So when you're given 2 pieces of information, our way to go about it is to split it into 2 images and focus on one. Now let's look at question 19. We'll call this the purple triangle. And the next one we'll call the green triangle. Oh, that's still purple. That's the green triangle. Let's look at the purple triangle first. From image 1, which is this image 1, 2,
I give
3, and 4. Oops, my bad. Okay. From image 1, the triangle moves one time to image 2. This is okay? Clear? Now,
Yes.
from image 2 to image 3, over here, it's moving 1 and 2, which is plus 2. All good? Now, here is the tricky part, and this is what makes this question, I'd say, confusing. Now, this question, it's actually moving plus 3. Now, I'll tell you how. It's moved once, and then it moved twice, and now it's moved thrice. This makes sense? So, instead of coming down and instead of coming here, it's moved all the way from the top. It's starting from the top. This is okay?
Yeah.
Yes. This is plus 3. Now, from plus 3, it's again moving plus 4. So the purple triangle, we can say it's moving plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So the next one will be plus 4.
Oh.
That's 1, 2, 3. And then the fourth one will start again from the top. That's why your answer is C. Your purple triangle is right there. Now, let's look at the green triangle. The green triangle, fairly straightforward. It's moving once
Right,
plus
one.
1 in the second image, plus 1 in the third image, and up there plus 1 in the fourth image. So the pattern is plus 1. The green, it's going anti-clockwise. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1.
Plus one.
Next image will be
Plus one.
right up there. That will
One.
give you plus 1. Very straightforward.
Yep.
No
Thank
drama.
you. Me?
Yes.
Can you do question 22?
Question 22. Yes. But in the comments, the first person said question 15, 14, 18, 21. Okay, I'll do question 22 after that. All good?
Yes.
Now let's look at question 15. Okay. Okay, this is I think this has to be my favorite question so far, just because it's so easy to explain. Okay. Oops.
I'm leaving now.
Now,
I leave?
If is your answer all clear, then leave. If not, then continue.
okay. Yep. So the first Roman numeral is number 3. Second Roman numeral is 9. And third one is 27, and the fourth one is 81. Now, let's see the pattern between them. From 3 to 9, it is difference of 3. Whoops. Sorry, my bad. What's the difference between 3 and 9?
6.
Yes. 6. My brain just, stopped working for a second. I couldn't think. Oof. From 9 to 27, it is. Oh, wait. Sorry. Please excuse me. Just forget whatever I said.
Isn't it
so from-
times?
Yes, it's times. My bad. So let me explain again. Forget everything I just said. So from 3 to 9, if you multiply by 3, so 3 times 3, you get 9. Okay. Now from 9 to 27, what's the relation?
9 times
times
27. 9 times 3.
27. Now from 27 to 81, 27 times 3 is, whoops.
81.
81.
81. Very good. So the next option will be, or the next obvious pattern is going to be 81 times 3,
3.
which is 243. Okay.
Oh.
Yes, the moment of realization on how easy this was. Now, let's see. C is 100. One more C makes it plus 100 plus 100, which is 200. XL is 40. And 3 dashes is just the number 3. Add all of these up and you should get 240.
And 43.
Very good. Question 15. Now question 14 next. Okay. Again, very, very straightforward because we've already covered this. So what I want you to do, Tia, for question 14 is to draw this into 4 quadrants. You have box number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if you notice, if you look at each of the box, you'll see a upside down triangle, upside down T. You'll see a weird bending sleeping man, and you'll see a smiley face. Okay, look at this. For each of the boxes, you'll start to notice that there's a smiley face here, there's a smiley face here, there's a smiley face there. This is okay? So first thing I want you to draw is a quadrant for each of the images, boxes. And then I want you to number it as 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
Now,
4.
you can see the upside down T, right? This is in
Yeah.
quadrant 2. Okay. And in the second image, it moves down to quadrant 3, which is this. From quadrant 3, it moves all the way to quadrant.
Quadrant 4.
From quadrant 4, it goes up and then it moves to quadrant 1, which is right here.
Quadrant 1.
So if you look at follow the yellow dots, it's moving down. Someone's yawning already. Wow. It's only 6:30. And now it's moving this way. And from the third image is moving up. Fourth image, it should move all the way to the top right corner. And that is option D. See?
Yeah.
This makes sense. So it's moving one side, that to clockwise direction. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Question, do we do reading? Yes, if you have any doubts in reading, please do ask me. Can you do question 18, please? Everyone. Question 18. Okay, let's do question 18 over here. Okay. Now, question 18, it's the same pattern as most of the number questions. So from 69 to 70, the difference is 1. 70 to 73, it's 3. 73 to 79, it's 6. 79 to 89, it's
6.
no number 10.
10.
Now, this is another pattern inside a pattern. Let me write this down. Pattern inside a pattern. Okay. So from 1 to 3, the difference is 2. From 3 to 6, the difference is 3. From 6 to 10, the difference is 4. 2, 3, 4. What's the next one going to be?
5.
5. So 10 plus 5 is
15.
15, right? So what's 89 plus 15 going to be?
104.
Oh.
Bingo. Again, a moment of realization. Very nice. I like that noise. Okay. Question 21. Let's go back to question 21. Okay, that's a circle question.
Why are you on Melvin Tom's account?
Oh, because I hacked into his account.
Oh,
Ooh.
so does that mean you're still Nasani or are you someone else?
I'm not Nisani.
Oh, okay.
He's hacker.
Yeah, I have officially infiltrated this class. I'm not supposed to teach, but I am.
Oh.
Okay. Don't let my boss know about this. He'll suspend me.
Who is your boss?
Who is my boss? Who do you think?
I don't know.
Melvin.
That's right. I have hacked into my boss's account and I have now officially, illegally, I might add, started teaching kids. Now,
Wow.
let's focus on the question. Question 21. Again, the first two images, we are given one circle, and the second and third images, we're given two circles. Now, those two circles don't magically appear out of nowhere. It's just in the first two images, the circles are stacked on top of each other. Okay. Now, what do? We're going to name one circle yellow and the other circle blue.
Blue.
And once we do that, we're going to focus only on one circle at a time. So let's focus on the yellow circle first. Let's draw that a bit more nicely. Okay, let's see. The yellow dot in the second image is appearing right there. And how did it get there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I was teaching this question and I asked the students, how did the yellow dot get from image 1 to 2? And one kid said, it flew.
Oh my.
Yeah,
It flew.
it flew. Yes, so don't say that. It's moved +4 anti-clockwise. So let's see this. Yellow has moved anti-clockwise. First one +4. Now, in the second image to the third image, we have a yellow dot right here. And how did it get there? 1, 2, 3. It flew 3 times. Okay. From the third image to the fourth image, it's moving 1 and 2.
2.
That's +2.
And then +1.
Yes, so it's +4, +3, +2, and the next one will obviously be +1.
1.
Obviously, duh.
Duh.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the blue dot, which is right underneath there. Now, in the second image, the blue dot is again right at the bottom. How did it get there? It moved down. Okay, blue has moved down. And in the third image, it's right on top again. How did it get there? Back up. So it's up.
It flew back up.
Yeah, it flew back up. That's right. And in the fourth image, the blue dot is right at the bottom. And how did that get there? It fell down. So it's down.
Go down.
Now, so what's up? It's up, down. No, well, my bad. It's down, up, down, up,
Upper.
up.
Upper.
And
Down.
your
up,
blue dot would be right there.
up, down.
Down, up, down, up, down.
Yes, that is your question 21.
I
Do
need
we
help
do
with question
reading?
12.
Oh my god.
Question 9. Okay. Question 9. Let's do question 9. I'll do question 12 in the end. Yes, someone's already asked help with question 12. Let's do question 9. Okay.
And in the end, can you do question 22?
22. Okay. We'll do that. Not to worry. Question 9. Oh my God. Again, one of my favorite answers to solve because I don't have to speak too much. Okay. So, very easy. Not that. I'm going to put pink for Barbie in honor of the new movie that has been released. 1 times 2 is 2, which you're getting here. 2 times 2 is 4, which you're getting here.
4
4
times.
times 2 is 8.
8.
Then
8 times 4 is
8 is
32.
32, then 32 times 256 equals to 8,192.
And 92.
Spot on.
Fairly easy.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
I didn't notice
637.
that.
And I think Neil is already very tired.
How
No,
do
I'm
you
not.
write so neat?
Sorry,
How do you write so neat?
Isn't it Nilo?
Neil. Listen, y'all put these weird ass names on your Zoom as your Zoom names, and I'm gonna
Ayo.
call.
It's used as a meta.
Oh, I used the font generator. So like,
Okay.
I don't think
What's the
Melvin
next
will
question?
like this.
Oh, question
Yeah, I
9.
don't think no one like this.
What did Melvin not like? Sorry.
I don't know.
Like us.
Oh, why? Why not?
I got fruits, guys. I got fruits.
It's not like you guys are very annoying, is it?
I got fruits, guys. Look at my fruits.
Okay.
Of course, it's annoying.
I got
Okay.
fruits.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna mute you
Look at
all.
this.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Question 4 now. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. Again, we're given two different objects. We are given a yellow object
And a
and
blue.
a blue
Blue.
object. Very good. I don't like this color. Yeah. Okay. Blue. So naturally, we're going to focus on one color. We'll focus on the yellow one first. Now,
Okay.
the yellow one is moving -1 anti-clockwise, and it's over here in the second image. From there, it's moving again -1, giving us yellow right there in the third image. Again, it's moving back by -1, giving us a yellow right here. So that's -1, -1, -1, and from there it's going to
Can you
be
hear me?
what? -1 again. Jeez. What was that? wanna
I don't
question it.
know.
Don't want to question it. Okay. If you look at the yellow, if you look at the yellow circles, right? Do you see that there's a diamond? What? Okay.
There's a diamond
see-
and there's a square.
Yes, there's a diamond, there's a square, there's a diamond, there's a square. So that's diamond, square, and the next one will obviously be
Diamond.
Diamond.
diamond. Another duh moment.
Diamond.
Duh. Okay.
I need help with question 12.
Question 12. Yes, I'll get to that. That is the next question.
Excuse me.
Now, yes.
Could you go over question 7 in abstract reasoning?
Okay, I will do that. Just put your message on the chat, okay? Yes. Now, question 4. Yeah. Now we have the blue square. The blue square is moving 1, 2, -2, all the way here. Okay. Now, from there, it's moving 1 and 2, -2, which ends up right here. Now, from here, it's moving 1 and 2, which gives you your blue diamond right there. So it's -2, -2, -2. What does that mean? That means it will be 1 and 2. It's going to land right here. Let's see. Right here. Let's put this a circle now. And in the first image, this is a square. This is a diamond. This is a square. This is a diamond. So next one will obviously be a square. Okay. Okay. Clear? That is why this is option A. Now, let's do question 12. Okay. Question 12. This one, I need your full attention. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, I know. Very, very complicated. But hear me out.
Yeah.
So, do you recognize these are your, not your options, these are the 4 pictures that are given to you in the question. Okay. 1 and right there. These are 4 pictures. Now, whoops. Yeah. Now, these red crosses that I'm drawing here, think of this as the focus or the like a center of the circle. This is going to be constant. This is not going to move. But
Okay.
do you see these boxes, this box around it? This is the one that is moving around it. And it's moving
Yep.
in an 8-sided map,
Map.
like a sunflower almost. Look at that.
Oh yeah,
This,
it does.
this is moving like this around. Okay.
Looks kind of like one.
Yeah, it does.
Right? So in the first image, the green box is here. And now it's going to go +1 all the way down. This is okay?
Yeah, and then it's +2.
From here, it's moving 1 and 2, giving us a +2 with the
Yeah.
box right there.
Yeah.
This is clear?
Yeah.
Now, from here, it's moving 1, 2, and 3. That's +3, and your green box is here. So, let's see. How does the green box travel? It's moving +1, +2, +3. The 2, it's moving clockwise, okay? Now, from here, it's moving +4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will give you your box right there. This makes sense?
Doesn't it travel on a bus?
Doesn't it travel on a bus?
Yeah.
Oh, so funny. I didn't know I had a class of amazingly hilarious children. Okay, +4. And your box remains here. And what is the option? The
What is
option
lower?
is, yes, the option is C. Make sense? And if you look, the dots are alternating. There's a dot here, there's no dot here. There's a dot here, and there's no dot here. All good? Okay.
So there's gonna be a dot.
Yes. Question 17 and 18. Let's see question 17. Brilliant. Okay, let's do question. Because we already covered question 17 earlier, didn't we? Maybe not, but I'll
No,
go
in
through
reading
this.
comprehension. In reading comprehension.
Question 18 in reading comprehension. Oops, my bad. Let's see what reading comprehension. Question number 17 is C and question number 18 is A. Now let's see. Can I get to the reading comprehension at the end? Just because I need to take my PowerPoint inside the iPad. I'll go through all the abstract first.
Oh, sure. no
Okay.
Okay. Now, question 4. Let's look at question 4. Okay. Question 4. 36. This 10 minutes back. Jal, did you understand question 4? We had just did it. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you go over question 7? Okay. Again, one of my favorite questions to answer. I'll go through this all over again.
Because it was easy.
Yes, that is right, because it is easy. Now, this is your question, right? In this question, there's actually 2 images. Now, one is a triangle.
Triangle.
Very good. Red triangle. And then a pink triangle. Pink,
Yeah.
because my favorite color is pink, and in honor of the
Wow.
Barbie movie.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
What about Spider-Man?
No.
No, the Lion King is the best.
Lion King,
No.
that's 2020. What is wrong with you?
Spooderman. Spooderman's the
Yes,
best.
Spooderman,
Okay.
the new Spooderman.
Again, I'm going to mute all of you because I can. Now, so in question 7, there's you can see the red triangle. Let's focus on the red triangle first, okay? The red triangles are the triangles that's always on the left-hand side. So the red triangle is facing down, in the second image down, third image up, fourth image up. How's the pattern? Red is down, down, up, and up. Now, oh wait, so what's the next image going to be? So it's down, down, up, up, and finally it will be down. Now, pink one. Pink one is up. Let's draw pink one right here. This is down.
Up,
Pink one
down,
right
up,
here.
down.
Up.
And then it's going to be up.
and down. Yes, very good. So it's up,
Up,
down,
up.
up, and
It's supposed to be muted.
down. So the next pattern will be facing up. So let's draw a triangle based on what we have found. So we have a triangle that's facing down. Let's draw that. Let me use this function, shape function. Now, and we have a triangle that's facing up,
Down. Oh.
up, up, up. It's
Oh.
up, and the
Up.
red one is down. Doesn't this remotely look like one of the options in the question book?
Yep.
Like
Sure
an
does.
upside down parallelogram? I think it's option C, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. It better be option C. Otherwise, they better change the booklet because I'm never wrong.
Ooh.
Okay,
Oh.
question 7. Question 7 in reading comprehension. And now he puts up rules. Never mind. So it was for reading comprehension. Okay, I'll get to reading comprehension at the end of the class. Question 22, please, please, please. Aditya has sent me question 22. All right, 8 times on the chat. This is direct message, so you guys can't see it. But he spammed me.
It's kind of like YouTube where when they say for like a video idea and people keep asking and they say it's been the 8th time asking like that.
Exactly. So he's asked me like
This is
around 8
studying.
times.
That's watching.
I know.
Dude, this is live on YouTube, so
This is live on
basically
YouTube, so that
happening.
It's
this is
not like
live on YouTube, so they can
gangsters
hear
will
your
watch
shenanigans.
this. I'm not doing any shenanigans. I'm just playing before, I don't know, 2K or something.
Mm. Okay,
Are you
muted. So Z is the 26th letter of the alphabet, Y being the 25th, W being, what was W? W is which letter? It is the 23rd, and T is the 20th. Now let's look at the difference between each of them. Let me use a different color, my favorite color, pink. 26 to 25, it's 1,
minus
2, 23 and
Three.
20 is 3. Y'all better see a pattern right here. That's 1, 2, 3. And the next one will be
4?
4.
4. So what is 20 minus 4?
16.
16.
And what is the 16th
P.
letter of the alphabet?
P.
P.
Okay, you can go to the washroom, guys. No need to,
No.
What? Come on.
Bad joke,
Come
bad
on.
joke. Okay.
Be
bad joke.
muted. No, it was a good joke.
Bad joke.
Okay.
Good.
Question 22, please, please, please. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, no, for real. Stop spamming. I can't see the others' questions. Now let's go to reading comprehension. Whew. Let's see. Let me open my emails.
Why do you have HMN and also Zara? Do you like going shopping all the time?
Yes, I'm obsessed with shopping, online shopping. Do not be like me.
You
No,
are
I
my
don't like
mom.
I don't like
Really?
online
Yes.
shopping. I don't like online shopping. I like going to Caring Up and like all the other shopping
Mhm.
centers and shopping there.
Really? So you like
Yes.
face-to-face
shopping.
shopping?
Yes.
Very good.
Oh my
Answer for
God.
question 8 and 10 in reading comprehension. Calm down, guys. I will open it right now. Not to worry. I can stay another 15 more minutes. I won't go away. Okay,
Yay.
question 8. Yes, which one of the following responses elaborates on the point made in response 2? What's response 2 here? Let's play it. What content would negatively impact their reputation and their life if they posted it? And response 5 is basically talking about what kind of online content they should avoid, like violence, and how and why to avoid such contents. So basically, it's option D because both of them talk about the same thing, but response 5 is just elaborating on response 2. Make sense? What was the other question? Hello, Keshav. Hi. How are you? Will stop spamming. Hello. Okay. next is question number 10. Let's see. Which one of the following responses make a similar argument to response 5? Again, very easy. It's the same thing as question 10. It's the same. Again, it's response 2, which is option B, I believe, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, both of them are kind of the same question in a way. Now, what's the next? Question 8 and 10 in reading comprehension. Question 22. Question 22 in abstract reasoning or reading comprehension? Kapish asked, can you go over 17 and 18 in reading comprehension? Let me go through that. Whoops. Okay, 17 is option A, which is avoid. This is statement 1, what they might say or do online which might offend or upset others and how to avoid this. Okay. Question 18. Question 18 is A. In the context of the passage, which is the Theogony Clash of Titans, they're talking about, they're using the word inherit in relation to the traits that have been passed down from the gods to the titans, like the gods from the planets to the gods. Make sense? So option D, which I think was inherit something. Let me see what was option D. Yeah, option D, to gain something your family has. This is also correct. But remember, when you're doing reading comprehension, you have to, when you're looking at multiple choice, you have to look at the state option, which is the most relevant to the paragraph or the text, right? In this case, they're clearly using inherit as in a form of traits that have been passed down. But in option D, which is true, you can say, I inherited my family heirloom, or that's my grandmother's ring or something like that. So when I say that's also correct, but in this option D is not being exactly used in the paragraph. Make sense? I know a lot of students must have written A or D.
Not in the context.
Yes, very good, Minal.
Excuse me.
Yes, Kapish?
Thickness.
Can we quickly
Sorry?
go over 17 again?
17? Yeah. 17 is A.
It means inherit.
No,
And
that's question 18. Okay. Let me look at the other
what?
questions. Answer, please. What do you want me to answer? Hello, how old are you? How old are you? Cool AirPods, please answer. I beg you. I will only stop spamming until you answer me. I didn't know I had fans. So these are not AirPods because you guys are born in what, like 2023? These are your actual earphones. This is what we use. This is what I have.
Oh my
AirPods.
God.
I am I'm 26 years old.
It's rude to ask a girl's age.
Why?
I don't know. British people just say that, so I follow it.
No, I'm actually 56. I'm just lying to y'all.
Oh,
What?
Do I look 56?
yes.
No.
Ha!
Really?
Yeah, you look like a
You're joking.
56-year-old.
Your uncle probably tells you that it's rude to ask a girl what their age is.
Well, I don't even know if I have an uncle. Dun, dun, dun.
You look like 30. Okay, I'm gonna
I'm
exit this chat
actually,
soon.
like,
That's enough
16.
of the class. Clearly there's no doubts and there's only
No, come back,
insults
come back.
coming in.
It
One
says
guy said I look like 30, which is too much for me to handle. I'm gonna end the class.
Oh.
Bye. Get out.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Out.
bye.
I'm kidding.
Bye.
Any more questions?
Oh,
Question
you're kidding.
20.
one of
Yes.
the person who was marking me, she said that the answer was C for
Really?
Nilo, how'd you get that type of writing?
Dude, my name is Emilio. My name is Neil, and I
Oh, yes.
got up
Question
from a
number
font
17 is C.
generator.
Sorry, there's a issue. I think I made a mistake in my PowerPoint. Question
Wow,
number 17 is C, okay? My
like
bad.
Spider-Man.
And how did
Um,
you get such neat writing?
Neat
Oh my
writing.
god. Why
Okay.
does everybody ask me
Now,
that?
everyone who don't have doubts, you can leave the class. As for question 20, it's abstract reasoning. That's what I'm assuming. So I'll do question 20 really quickly, okay?
Oh, can I leave?
excuse
Yes,
me.
you can leave if you have no doubts.
Uh,
Yes,
for-
Kashika?
In reading question 17, our teacher said it was D.
Damn, a lot of people have been getting different answers. Okay, just write C for now, and we'll double check and get back to you, okay? And otherwise we'll update it in a WhatsApp group in the marking key.
Okay.
Good? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, for question 20, for who would ask? Maheban Shiam. Okay, since you asked, here's question 20. 1 minute. Yeah. Question 20 is fairly easy. Again, 37 and 36, you have a difference of -1. 36 and 33, you have a difference of -3. 33 and 27, you have a difference of 6. And 27 and 17, you have 10. This is again a pattern inside a pattern question. So 1 and 3, you get a difference of 2. 3 and 6, you get a difference of 3. 6 and 10, you get a difference of 4. So can you see a pattern over here? 2, 3, 4. So what's the next one going to be? Next one will be 5. Now, 10 plus 5 is 15. So it has to be 17 minus 15, which is 12. Oh no, 2. My bad. Okay. Let me see how many participants are there. Okay. Is your name Shiam or Maheban? Or is that your dad's name that you've used to join Zoom? Oh, question 20 in reading comprehension. Never mind. Silly me. Okay. Okay. Question 20 is D. So if you look at the paragraph, Rhea tricked Cronus into thinking he swallowed Zeus. Tricked. The direct synonym of tricked is fooled. Mahiban is your name. Okay. Mahiban, did you understand? He's replying on the chat.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, all good. Any other questions? Otherwise, it's already 7 and you may leave. Otherwise, I can stay back and answer any of your doubts. Yes, unknown. I don't know. Very weird name. It's an emoji. Yes, you've raised your hand. No? So there's Maheban, Kapish, and Box. Yeah, no problem, Maheban. All good. Oh, it's in the chat. Could you please send it again? Because there's a lot of students who spammed in the chat, so I can't really see. Let me search for it though. Arav has entered the waiting room. I can't find it. I'm sorry. Could you send it again? The only thing I can see is that you look like 30, which thanks, by the way. Very kind. I'm 20. Okay, 1 and 2 are similar in question 8 and 10. Then 1 and 5. Let's see. 1 and 2. Let's look at 1 and 2. Hmm. In your opinion, it is correct, but the reason we put response 5 is that it's basically the same thing, just response 5 is, giving an example or just being more specific than response 2. Okay. Yeah. Arav, I did not see your face. Did you join just now or did you join long back?
I
Not
just
sure.
joined.
Oh, you just joined, but the class is from 6 to 7.
Oh, okay, sorry.
No, that's okay. Do you have any doubts by any chance?
Not really.
No doubts? Okay, so basically we have 2 sessions. We have 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Now you can join either one of the sessions using the same link, and it's not a mandatory class. You can only join if you have any doubts.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
good.
Is it the same with next week?
Kapish, yes, it will be the same for all weeks. Yeah, every Sunday.
Okay, thank you.
All G. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. If you have any more doubts, again, Box Dude, you raised your hand. I don't know what your name is. Sorry for calling you Box Dude. I'm assuming you put an emoji in there, but it doesn't work. Okay, Box Dude left. Okay, so this is the end of the class. Bye-bye.